Ready to dive into crypto but feel overwhelmed by complicated apps? Maybe you're a seasoned trader looking for a mobile experience that keeps up with you. The question is, does the Kraken mobile app deliver? Kraken has a reputation for being a secure and reliable exchange, but the real question for today's user is, how does it feel to use? We're talking about the user experience, the interface, the little things that make a big difference when you're managing your money on the go. Is it clunky, or is it a seamless extension of their powerful desktop platform? Let's break it down. Kraken actually offers two apps, the standard Kraken app and Kraken Pro. The main app is designed for simplicity. It's clean, intuitive, and perfect for beginners who just want to buy, sell, and track their portfolio without getting lost in a sea of charts and metrics. The layout is straightforward, making it easy to find what you need. You'll see your balance, a list of assets, and simple buy-sell buttons. It's all about making crypto investing accessible. Now, for those who want more power, there's Kraken Pro. This is where you find the advanced trading tools, the customizable charts, and a variety of order types that active traders depend on. The interface is more complex, as you'd expect, but it's well organized. You can switch between different markets, set up price alerts, and execute more strategic trades, all from your phone. While some users have found the Pro app a bit cumbersome after updates, it still offers a robust experience for those who need it. Kraken also takes security seriously, and you can feel that in the app. From biometric authentication to the global settings lock, they've built in features to give you peace of mind. The ability to easily connect to your non-custodial Kraken wallet for on-chain activities is another great touch. So, is the Kraken mobile interface user-friendly? The answer is yes, but it depends on what you need. The standard app is fantastic for new users, offering a clear path into crypto. The Pro app, while having a steeper learning curve, provides the power and flexibility that serious traders demand. They've effectively created two distinct experiences to cater to their entire user base. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.